do a very interesting activity for Environment Day. Something through which we can try to save our environment. We will be making paper bag from newspaper that is best out of waste. Kids, we should always try to avoid using plastic bags or anything that is made up of plastic, as plastic is very poisonous for the environment and for our health also. And also, when we throw the plastic bags here and there, poor animals swallow the plastic and their throat gets choked up. So for saving our environment, we should always try to use something which is made out of paper or cloth. Whenever we go out for shopping, we should always make it a point that we carry paper bag or a cloth bag with us and try to avoid plastic bags as much as possible. So now guys, let's see what all materials we will be requiring for making the paper bag. We will be requiring an old newspaper, Fevicol, string, a scale, and also if at all y'all don't want to make it from newspaper, you can use any other decorative paper also. Okay, now let's get started. So first of all, we will take a newspaper, open the newspaper, and in the middle and one part of the newspaper we will be applying some Fevicol. Make sure to cover the corners of the newspaper. We will be applying some Fevicol in the middle of the paper also. Now we will stick the other side to it. We will stick both the sides. With the help of the scale, we will press it very tightly and make sure that both the sides get stuck properly. Yes, both the sides are stuck properly. Now we will fold one side of the newspaper like this, around say 2 to 3 inches. Like this way. Okay, now we will overlap the other side. Will not overlap it completely, leaving some space like this way. We will overlap. See, like this way. Now we will apply some glue over here. We will stick the other side. See, we will get something like this way. Okay, on both the sides. Now we will fold one of the side again for say around 2 inches like this way. Okay, we will open this and we will fold it like this way, making triangle on both the sides. See, like this way. Okay. Now we will fold. We will be getting the middle line. We will be folding both the sides, meeting the middle line. Like this way. Open one of the sides and overlap the other side like this way. We will stick it with the glue. Make sure that you stick the sides properly. Okay, let it dry for some time and we will be getting the bag like this way. Our bag is almost ready. Okay, now we will fold the bag from one side like this way. Fold it properly and also from the other side. Both the sides should be equal like this way. Now again we will fold it from the other side as well. Now we will open it. Open the bag completely. See, now we will be attaching some string to it. For that we need to make 2 holes on both the sides. I am making the holes with the help of a pen. You all can also use a punching machine if you all have at home. Both the holes should be on the same distance. Now we will be taking one string and in one side we will be putting the string like this way, and from other side the other side of the string. Make it equal and tie a knot on both the sides of the string, both the ends of the string. So it will come out to like this. Now similarly we will be putting the string on the other side of the bag. We'll put it on both the sides. Make it equal. And we will tie a knot on both the ends of the string. And our paper bag is ready. We can also make gift bag for giving any presents or gifts to our friends from decorative materials. So children, our paper bag is ready, and now let's make a promise to ourselves that from now onwards we will always try to save our environment with the very small things, that is by using a paper bag we can do that. Whenever we go out for shopping, we'll make sure that we will not use plastic bags and take a paper bag or a cloth bag with us. So see you all soon. Thank you so much.